Today, I wanted to start with a little exercise that I made this up. So before I was doing all this business coaching stuff, I used to do like lifestyle design coaching for quite a few years while I was doing touring as a speaker and teaching meditation. A lot of the people that came to me was around lifestyle alignment. And so this was an exercise that I made up once in a session, and I found it to be very impactful for myself, and it was very impactful for the person that I guided through. And it's a very simple um, exercise to see how in alignment we're living with our true north, and to see where we're leaking energy and how to reclaim more energy so that we can fuel ourselves to live our dreams. And I look at my life now, and slowly, year by year, little by little, I have aligned myself more and more with the things that feed me and let go of the things that drain me. And so, if you have a piece of paper, down the middle of the piece of paper, draw a line. And on the left side, write the words, "Take my energy." And then on the right side, "Give me energy." And I'm going to give you 2 minutes, and you're going to make a list on the left side of all the things that take your energy. It could be relationships, and taking your energy can also be energy leaks. So if there's habitual things that you do that take away your focus, for example, looking at social media more than necessary in a day, or looking at emails more than necessary in a day. Those are energy leaks that are taking our focus, our energy, our time, our enthusiasm, our creativity. They disconnect us from the muse, that disempower us as creators. And so we're going to write on the left side, you're going to take 2 minutes, and you're going to put all of the things that take your energy, leak your energy, and then we're going to do the right side. So I got the alarm going. Go ahead and take 2 minutes and just come up with as many things as possible. And some of them might be specific names of people that you regularly engage with that are energy vampires. If that is the case, write those down too. All right, that's the time. So cool. While you were all writing, a giant tree fell down right behind me over here in the forest. And it's not windy, perfectly calm day. So cool. Glad I wasn't out walking. Okay, so now on the right side, you're gonna write down as many of the things that feed you energy, give you energy, make you come alive, all the things that fuel you and leave you feeling more full when you do them. So take another couple minutes and write down as many as you can come up with. Okay, so now you are going to keep score. You're going to give yourself a check mark for every single one of the things that you've done on both columns in the last week. So the things that take your energy and make you feel depleted, and the things that feed you and make you come alive, give yourself a check mark for both columns for each thing that you've done. And on the side, the column of what takes your energy, circle one that you're ready to let go of, that you can let go of, that you can start to organize your life so that you no longer need to have that be a part of your life. Circle one that you can take steps this week to start to release or release fully. And then on the right side, circle one that you'll replace it with, that you can add to your life and make a regular, consistent rhythm. And so why is this important? Why is this stuff? Why letting go of the things that deplete us and embracing the things that make us come alive is important for growing our businesses? We are the product of what we're doing. If we are activated, alive, living in alignment, doing the thing that we're supposed to be do, it's just natural that we'll be more magnetic to the people who want to be living and embodying the things that we're teaching in principle and practice through our own actions and our own lifestyle. And it's just going to be so much easier to show people through our own leadership and through our own embodiment of what we're doing. And so the more we do the things that make us come alive, the more vibrant, activated, and on track we are with who we're here to be and what we're here to do. And that will just naturally inspire people and pull people into our sphere. And so the things that bring us down, the things that drain us, those tend to perpetuate a cycle of continuing to do those things. It's kind of like whether it's eating junk food, it's really easy to get into the daily rhythm of eating junk food. If it's doing things that we know aren't necessarily activating for us, it's easy to keep doing those things and keep those rhythms alive. And so I just wanted to bring this particular exercise today just to take a little inventory of how you're all doing and how we're all doing, and see where we can make some little tweaks, and just watch as an experiment over the next 30 days. If we're able to let go of one of the things that drain us and embrace one of the new things that make us come alive and fill us with energy, what will just happen? What new ideas will come into our life? What new people, opportunities, experiences, what new ways can we build or collaborate with communities? It all helps. So, anybody want to share